In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Iron Condor on Thinkorswim. If you're new to this strategy, an Iron Condor is a neutral, defined risk options trade. You're selling an out-of-the-money call spread and an out-of-the-money put spread at the same time, aiming to collect a net credit. Your goal is for the stock or ETF to stay within a range through expiration, so both spreads expire worthless and you keep the premium. With that context in mind, let's walk through the exact workflow on the desktop platform. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop application. Once it's up, go to the Trade tab along the top. This is where you'll find the option chain and build your trade. In the symbol box, type the ticker you want to trade, like a broad index ETF or a liquid stock. Liquidity matters because tighter bid-ask spreads generally make it easier to get good fills and manage the position later. With the option chain visible, look for the spread drop-down just above the strike listings. Click that and choose Iron Condor from the preset strategy list. This setting tells the platform to automatically link 4 legs into an Iron Condor layout, which saves you from manually pairing each call and put spread. Thinkorswim will now display potential Iron Condor combinations typically centered around the current price. You'll see different expirations and strike pairings. Pick the one that fits your expected trading range and time frame. As a quick guideline, many traders look for short strikes that roughly align with their probability targets or the range they believe price will stay within. Wider spreads can increase potential credit, but also expand your risk range, so balance comfort with reward. Always make sure the buying power effect and defined max loss shown by the platform align with your risk tolerance. Next, enter your limit price. A common approach is to start at or slightly better than the mid-market price to pursue a favorable fill without chasing. If markets are fast or the spread is wide, you can nudge toward the mid incrementally and give the order a little time. The goal is to get paid fairly for the risk you're taking while staying realistic about liquidity. When you're satisfied, click Confirm and Send. Review the order ticket carefully. Verify the 4 legs, the net credit, the maximum profit and loss, and the expiration details. If everything looks correct, send the order. That's it. You've set up an Iron Condor on Thinkorswim. As always, this is educational, not financial advice. Manage risk thoughtfully, and consider using alerts or exit rules before expiration to keep the trade aligned with your plan.